guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on a new video. We're going to be working on some gadgets for my camera gear. I'm just going to turn this a little bit. It seems like it's off by a bit there. So today we're going to be using this Wanby wrist strap. Got it for my birthday from my mom. I've wanted one for a while, and I found one, and she gave me the money to buy it. And the next product I will be reviewing in my next video, which is camera related as well, will be from the so this goes here. So here it is, guys. It's I have to fix that. Can't have that all mangled up, can we? Anyways, so I'll get that straightened out after. So how this works is this piece screws onto your camera like so. Just worried that it's going to affect my screen, which it doesn't because my screen folds straight out. So that screws in there, and then the beauty about this is this will still take your base plate mounter. So it still will fit on the tripod. Then you take this and goes like this. There. This one goes through here. And then you tighten it up over here. But I want to loosen it up a bit after. So, and this piece comes around. Gotta loosen it up a bit. It's called a wrist strap, guys. It's so it's a little bit hard to use by yourself. See? So, yeah. Tighten that back up a bit more. See? And then I tighten this one up a bit more too. But yeah, so that allows you to like freeform, so you can use your hand and not drop your camera. And like I said, it allows you to mount your iPod, tripod, whatever you use, pod, base plate, could be securely mounted on the bottom. And yeah, so you know, that's mounted to the camera, and it's got the stickies to keep it tight on the bottom side. And like, I can't get rid of my camera now, even if I wanted to, unless I take the strap off. And then there's the beauty, like when you go to put it away, nice and clean, nice and simple, nice and neat. No big mess, no big fuss, no big muss. It just snaps up tight like that. Wham, bam, thank you ma'am, and back in your case to go wherever you need to go. So again, that was Wanby. They have an Amazon store, which I got this from, and this product was under 10 bucks. I will add a link to the description for you guys, anybody that's interested in it. And it works on most most SLR, DSLRs. Yeah, it works on a lot of cameras. Basically, I mean, you know, if you don't want to strap it on, you still got that level of support too. But I mean, you'd be silly not to secure yourself at that point, right? Anyways, it's gonna be it for this one, guys. That's the Wanby wrist strap. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And again, as I say all the time, guys, if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. It does help if you enjoy my videos, that is. And if you'd like to know more about my channel, feel free to hit the bell icon, and it will notify you when I upload videos and if there's any news or so forth and so on. And last but not least, guys, do remember, don't let the zombies get you. Have a good one, be safe, and bye for now.